In this example, we will be evaluating the square root of 6. To do this, we want to look at perfect squares nearby to 6. For instance, 2 squared is equal to 4, and 3 squared is equal to 9. So we can see that 6 falls between 4 and 9. So we can write the following inequality. 4 is less than 6, which is less than 9. Now we can square root each value, and we can write the square root of 4 is less than the square root of 6, which is less than the square root of 9. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. That's because 2 squared is equal to 4. The square root of 9 is equal to 3. That's because 3 squared is equal to 9. So now that we can see the square root of 6 lies between 2 and 3, we can find a tenths place approximation. Because 6 is closer to 4 than it is to 9, we'll see that it'll lie closer to 2. So we can try out numbers like 2.3 squared and see how close we can get to 6. So let's multiply out 2.3 times 2.3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. Add our 0. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 2 is 4. When we add these together, we end up getting 5.26. Let's try 2.4 squared and see if we can get closer to 6. 2.4 squared is equal to 2.4 times 2.4. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Add our 0. 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 2 is 4. When we add these together, we end up getting 5.76, which is a lot closer to 6. So we can say that 2.4 squared gives us approximately 6, or 2.4 is approximately the square root of 6. And this will be our approximated solution.